Hello traders, the title of the video is Market Geometry. Market geometry is the real booster of technical trading. It boosts the confidence, agility, intelligence, and efficiency of those technical traders who finally embrace it. The market geometry involves the projection of channels, pitchfork tool, triangle, and any technical drawing when one is using stock charts like a chartist. The advantage of using the market geometry is it helps to avoid fighting the price action. It definitely reduces silly trading mistakes, therefore cut losses. The market geometry helps to improve technical trading, and I highly recommend it. Though it is an advanced trading strategy, new traders can learn it within weeks. Usually, most traders finally start learning to use the market geometry only after they have wasted so much money. My view is the sooner the better. Use the market geometry as soon as possible. Subscribe to the Pro Traders channel now. It is still free. Hit the bell without fear. If you like this tutorial, give us the thumbs up, mark it down. If it leaves a bitter taste in your mouth, but share it if you learn so much from it. Thank you for watching and happy trading to you all. This is about market geometry. Thank you.